Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. So a green day we saw today, of course, after this potential wave 4 as expected from the daily live stream today. And we are expecting, of course, to finish this impulse with one more high, I would say, because internally this looks like unfinished impulse yet. I believe that this can be okay, it can be finished even, but this is very corrective, guys. Everything going on here is very corrective, and that means, of course, we still looking for higher prices. No signal for bearish or for a red candle that it might be massive. Now, of course, it can range a little bit much more, but I believe that the Monday is going to continue this move towards the upside. We are looking, of course, for a wave 5 in this scenario. After having, of course, a wave 3, 4, and a 5, let's go to the 2 hours chart here, where we have 1, 2, 1, 2, triple 1, 2 is actually 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. We're looking currently for to finish this wave 5, and then the final wave 4 and a 5 in the round shape here, of course, for this yellow scenario. And with this wave 5, we are expecting to take the all-time high, which is very close to be taken. Actually, nothing is I would say nothing is bearish right now. I don't see any signal of weakness. I still see, of course, continuation toward the upside, regardless to what you're hearing in the news and so on about recession. Again, it just talks, guys. It's just talking, and I don't like fundamentals so much. That's why, because it is a little bit confusing. I prefer always to stick with the technicals and see what is going on in reality. Numbers cannot lie, and also Fibonacci cannot lie. So those are the facts that we are talking here. We're talking about something we are touching in our chart. Yeah, so basically I see simply movement towards the upside. Our target is 22k800 for the SPX as well. We can see today we saw some green as well on the 1 hour chart. Well, the latest hours were a little bit sideways, but it means a lot, right? It means a lot when you see a lot of sideways, a very corrective. If we move on the 15-minute chart, you can see how much corrective it is, meaning simply we're still looking for higher. Even without having some counts here, just by looking at those sideways correction, meaning, of course, higher prices are expected. And I believe here we are moving in kind of a diagonal. Potentially, we're having kind of like a zigzag to hit perfectly those fib levels for a wave 5 in this diagonal. As I mentioned, we are still, of course, very positive. We're still looking for higher, and we still have another wave, a 4 and a 5 to reach later on. Those are old one, but yeah, once we top there, I'm gonna update, of course, those wave 4 in the blue count, where we might hit the next target. And I believe, of course, we still have 4, 5, a 4 and a 5 is the same as NASDAQ, the same as for SPX. Yep, so those are the daily close, I would say the weekly close even for NASDAQ and SPX. And I wish you to have a nice weekend, guys, and trade safe always. See you in the next one. Bye bye.